Cocktail of the week, apple pie moonshine recipes. Yes, you read that right. We're mixing up a moonshine cocktail and, while this spirit might seem a bit out of the box to some of you, we promise that its unique and delicious flavors won't disappoint. So, grab your cocktail shaker because this late fall sipper is a tasty combination of apple, cinnamon, and vanilla that you don't want to miss. Ingredients: 2 ounces apple cider, 1.5 ounces St. Luna moonshine, 1 ounce vanilla vodka, 1 ounce cinnamon simple syrup, 0.5 ounces lemon juice, half a cup of vanilla extract. How to make it: add all ingredients to a cocktail shaker, top with ice, and shake until chilled. Strain into a rocks glass over fresh ice. Garnish with apple slices and a cinnamon stick. Sure, a glass of wine or a beer is a nice way to unwind, but every now and then, you deserve a happy hour that's a little more, what's the word? Refined. Kelly Sparks of Queen Bee Mixology is graciously sharing a new cocktail with us every week, just in time for happy hour. Hello everyone, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and press the bell button so you can get the latest information from my video. Thank you and happy watching.